All right, now let's look at a second example of a one-way chi-square. Okay, so these are two examples I'm giving you, the only two I'm going to give you. And so you'll get one of these questions or the two-way chi-square question on the exam. It'll look something like one of these two or the chi-square. So here's the other one. So in this case, we're determining if ice cream flavor if there's a favorite ice cream flavor, if people like a particular ice cream flavor better. So we ask them a real simple question. Of these three flavors, which is your favorite? They're not ranking them. They're just asking which one is your favorite. It's that simple. Okay, so there's three ice cream flavors, chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. And so you don't have equal number of subjects in each group because, quite frankly, you're asking them to calculate, you're asking them a question that will put them in the group. Okay, so here's our F sub O for this one, 35, F sub O here for this one. But what would this look like if the null hypothesis were true? Well, we have 60 total subjects. So the null hypothesis would suggest that there is no favorite ice cream flavor. So in this case, you take that 60, happens to be 60 subjects that were asked, and you divide it by the three levels right here. Okay, the three cells, if you will. So 60 divided by 3 would be 20, 20, 20. So if it was 20 in each of these groups, then no ice cream would show a preference. It's that simple. That's how you get to the F sub E. The F sub E is a tricky thing to get because you have to use your logic. You have to think about what it would look like if there was no difference between these groups. So once you get that, you just plug in the numbers like we did before. We plug in our F sub O's, our F sub E's, our 20s, and we do the calculation, 22.5, and they can go determine if it's significant a little later. So that's the second example of how to do a one-way chi-square.